News just coming in after Hyderabad, Gujarat would be once again on the terror radar of the Indian Mujahideen. An alert has been sounded by the Intelligence Bureau. The Bureau intelligence input suggests that the Indian Mujahideen is plotting a terror strike in cities across Gujarat. Taking no chances, the Gujarat police has started alerting people. They've put up posters at crowded marketplaces, at malls, at other locations. Look at these posters that have been put out by the police. These posters warn that Indian Mujahideen's Yasin Bhatkal, remember Yasin Bhatkal is that suspected terrorist who planted the twin bombs at Hyderabad. The intelligence input suggests that he is now in Ahmedabad. The Indian Mujahideen has targeted Ahmedabad before in 2008. It was in July 2008 when 57 people were killed in a massive terror attack in Ahmedabad. The police are now asking citizens to be extra vigilant and be on a lookout. They've given a description of this 31-year-old terror suspect. He is a cousin of the Indian Mujahideen founders, Riaz and Iqbal Bhatkal. Let me quickly bring in headlines today's Mausiki Acharya for more on the story. Mausiki, what is it that the Gujarat police is telling the citizens of Gujarat?
Well, besides the general high alert that followed the Hyderabad bomb blast, Gujarat police has received a special input from the Intelligence Bureau warning them that Yasin Bhatkal could be in Ahmedabad. And that is the reason why Yasin Bhatkal's sketch has been put across public places in Ahmedabad city, especially at public places which will see high crowds, quite number of footfall during the weekend, especially wanting the public to be extra vigilant, as you mentioned, and to warn the police if they would spot anyone who was looking like him. Yasin Bhatkal is one of the cousins of the Riaz Bhatkal and Iqbal Bhatkal, who are the founders of Indian Mujahideen, as you mentioned, Gaurav, earlier. And they have already created a havoc in Ahmedabad earlier in 2008 when 21 bomb blasts ripped apart the city with maximum casualties where civil hospital was targeted. So not wanting to take any chances, the Gujarat police has taken up entire of these sketches and has put it up at public places, especially malls, which will see huge crowds on weekend, as well as certain parks and gardens in the city, to warn people, to ask them to be extra vigilant, that if they would spot someone who looks like that.
Okay, I'll come back to that terror alert in a moment, Mausiki. Many